Welcome back to Gravity Automotive, and today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated off-road SUVs of the decade, the all-new 2026 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. This is not just a refresh or a mild update. This is a full generational shift that redefines what the 4Runner stands for while staying true to its hardcore roots. For years, the 4Runner has been loved for its toughness, reliability, and gunny-wear attitude. And with the 2026 TRD Pro, Toyota proves that old-school ruggedness and modern technology can finally live together in perfect balance. The first thing you notice about the 2026 4Runner TRD Pro is how bold and purposeful it looks. Toyota has moved the 4Runner onto its modern TNGA F platform, the same architecture that underpins the new Land Cruiser and Tacoma, and it shows immediately in the stance. The body is wider, more muscular, and more aggressive than ever before. The front end features a heritage-inspired grille with bold Toyota lettering, flanked by angular LED headlights that give it a confident, almost predatory expression. The hood scoop on the TRD Pro isn't just for show. It reinforces the performance-focused identity of this trim. From the side, the boxy silhouette remains, which longtime fans will appreciate, but everything feels more refined and planted. The wider track improves stability both on the road and off it, while the chunky fender flares make room for serious off-road hardware. At the rear, the vertical design continues with LED taillights and a strong upright tailgate that reminds you this SUV is built for utility, not just looks. The exclusive TRD Pro colors, including eye-catching, earthy tones, give it that unmistakable adventure-ready vibe straight from the factory. Step inside, and the transformation is just as dramatic. The cabin finally feels like it belongs in a modern vehicle without losing its rugged charm. Toyota has upgraded materials across the board, with soft-touch surfaces, durable trim, and TRD Pro-specific accents that remind you this isn't an ordinary SUV. The seats are heavily bolstered, wrapped in premium materials, and designed to keep you comfortable whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising on the highway for hours. The driving position is commanding with excellent visibility in all directions, something that 4Runner owners have always loved. Technology has taken a massive leap forward in the 2026 model. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's fast, intuitive, and finally feels competitive with modern rivals. The digital instrument cluster gives you customizable displays, including off-road specific information like pitch, roll, steering angle, and terrain data. Physical buttons and knobs are still present for essential controls, which is a smart move for off-road use, where touchscreens alone just don't cut it. Under the hood is where the biggest change happens, and it's a change that might surprise some purists. The old naturally aspirated V6 is gone, replaced by Toyota's powerful and efficient iForce Max hybrid powertrain in the TRD Pro. This setup combines a turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor to deliver significantly more torque than the outgoing model. The result is instant low-end response, smoother power delivery, and better fuel efficiency without sacrificing capability. Whether you're climbing a steep trail, towing a trailer, or merging onto the highway, the 2026 4Runner TRD Pro feels stronger and more confident than ever. Power is sent through a refined automatic transmission that's tuned for both off-road precision and everyday drivability. The full-time four-wheel drive system with a locking center differential ensures traction in all conditions, while features like Lagrange gearing make serious off-road adventures effortless. Toyota's engineering focus here is clear. This SUV is built to handle abuse and keep going, no matter where you take it. The TRD Pro truly shines when the pavement ends. This trim comes equipped with upgraded Fox internal bypass shocks that are specifically tuned for high-speed desert runs and technical trail work. These shocks absorb bumps, rocks, and ruts with impressive composure, keeping the wheels planted and the ride surprisingly controlled. The increased ground clearance, skid plates, and aggressive all-terrain tires mean you can tackle obstacles straight out of the box without needing aftermarket upgrades. Toyota's advanced off-road tech makes even challenging terrain approachable. For less experienced drivers, Multi-Terrain Select allows you to optimize traction for mud, sand, snow, or rocks, while Crawl Control acts like off-road cruise control, managing throttle and braking so you can focus on steering. There's also an improved camera system that gives you a clear view of what's happening around and underneath the vehicle, which is incredibly useful when navigating tight trails or steep inclines. Despite all its off-road prowess, the 2026 4Runner TRD Pro is far more livable day-to-day than previous generations. On the road, it feels more stable, quieter, and more refined. The suspension still has that rugged character, but it's no longer punishing over bumps or rough city streets. Highway cruising is smoother, and the added torque from the hybrid system makes overtaking effortless. This is a vehicle you can comfortably drive every day and then take straight into the wilderness on the weekend. Safety has also been upgraded significantly. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work seamlessly in the background, adding peace of mind without taking away from the driving experience. It's a reminder that while the 4Runner is built for adventure, it's also designed to protect you and your passengers. What truly sets the 2026 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro apart is how well it balances tradition and innovation. It still feels like a real 4Runner, tough, dependable, and ready for anything. But now it's smarter, more powerful, and more comfortable than ever before. Toyota didn't just modernize this SUV, they evolved it in a way that respects its legacy. For off-road enthusiasts, overlanders, and anyone who wants a vehicle that can handle extreme conditions without sacrificing reliability. The 2026 4Runner TRD Pro is a dream come true. It's not chasing trends or trying to be something it's not. Instead, it doubles down on what made the 4Runner legendary while bringing it into the modern era in the best possible way. If you've been waiting for the ultimate blend of rugged capability and modern refinement, the wait is finally over.